Good morning students. Sai Ram. This session I am going to teach maths. I am going to continue this chapter. So children, can you say what is the name of our topic? Operations on fractions. What we had studied. First I will do recap. Afterwards I will move today's topic. Are you ready children? So we studied about this lesson. First I had thought about fraction. What is meant by fraction? What are the types of fraction and how we have to convert mixed number into improper fraction. How we have to convert improper fraction into mixed number. So last series what I had thought, addition of mixed number. So some steps also I had told, isn't it? So that addition of like fraction, addition of unlike fraction also we saw. Addition of like fractions means what? Yes, that fractions that are having same denominator. Which fractions are having that same denominator, that fraction we can say that is like fraction. So addition of like fraction, it is so easy. Next one is addition of unlike fraction. So addition of unlike fractions means that denominators are different. Fractions are having different denominator. That fractions we can say that are unlike fraction. So unlike fraction we can't add directly. So what you have to do? Yes, unlike fraction you have to convert into like fraction. Afterwards you have to add. For converting that unlike fraction into like fraction, what you have to do? That I told already. So here in this series also I am going to teach that same thing. Okay, but this session I am going to solve exercise sum. Practice set sum we are going to solve. Children, are you ready? See here, first I would like to remind what are the steps we have to follow when adding or subtracting mixed number with same denominator. That means what we have to do for adding of like fraction. Okay, so first add or subtract whole number part. So already I had told that mixed number contains whole number and proper fraction. So you have to separate that number, whole number and proper fraction you have to separate. Afterwards what you have to do? Whole number part you have to write it together and fraction part you have to write together. Okay, and the second step is add numerators. Add numerators. Third step is, see here children, third one is keep denominator unchanged. So denominator, that same denominator, no, that denominator only have to write. And next one is what you have to do? Simplify when it is necessary. So children, first you have to write whole number together and fraction part together. Afterwards add numerators. Okay, third step is what? Denominator you don't change. You have to write that same number as well. And fourth one is simplify when it is necessary. So that final answer, that fraction, if it is having that common factor, you have to simplify that fraction. So understood children? So now practice set 10. First question, it contains 4 sub question. Okay, 4 sums are there. So we will solve one by one. First one is, see here children, this is your question here. 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3. So mixed number. Okay, and you have to add. So children, this is your first step. First what I told, yes, whole number part you have to write together and proper fraction, that means fraction part you have to write together. So here children, see here 6 plus 2, 6 and 2, these two are the whole numbers of this given sum. Okay, so 6 plus 2 plus, and here what? Fraction part I have written here together. I have written here fraction part. Okay, that means 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So I hope you understood this first step. Shall we go to next? Yes children, see here second step. First step is over. Second step you have to see 8. 6 plus 2, 8. And here, see here, observe this fraction. This is like fraction or unlike fraction? Yes, this is the like fraction. So what you have to do? And you have to add numerator. Numerator you have to add and denominator you have to write as well. Means which denominator is there, that denominator only you have to write. So 8 plus 1 plus 1, that means numerator plus numerator upon denominator, that means 3. Okay, denominator you don't change, so you have to write 3 only, and here numerator you have to add. Okay, so I hope you understood this second step. Next one you have to see this one. So this is over and this also over, and next one is 8 plus, so 1 plus 1, what is your answer? 2. 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Understood, children? And next one is final answer, that means mixed number and proper fraction. So last step, it is time to write our final answer. We have to combine that whole number and proper fraction. So what is your answer here? Yes, 8, 2 upon 3. So children, I hope it is really easy, that addition of like fraction, isn't it? So it's so easy. Addition of like fraction, what you have to do? Whole number part you have to write together and fraction part. Next one is what? 6 plus 2, 8 plus, here bracket you have to put. Okay, children, you have to write bracket here. Inside the bracket only you have to write 1 plus 1 upon 3. That means numerator you have to add and denominator you don't add, you have to write as well, because it is a like fraction. Okay, and next one is 8 plus 1 plus 1, what is your answer? Yes, 2. 2 upon 3. So final answer, you have to combine that whole number and make the and proper fraction. That means 8, 2 upon 3. Understood, children? Shall I go to next? Second sum is, so first question I had, it contains 4 sums. First sum, it is over. Second one, shall I start? Second one, see here, children, this is your question. Okay, 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2. So through the question you will get that is like fraction or unlike fraction. Children, tell me now, this is like fraction or unlike fraction? Yes, unlike fraction. Why we are saying it is unlike fraction? The denominator you have to observe here, 4 and 2. 4 and 2. So here it is not a same denominator. So it is a unlike fraction. So how we have to add? Okay. So first step you have to see here, children. First step. Yes, first step is what? Whole number you have to write. That means 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 inside the bracket you have to write, because the whole number you are writing, you have to write whole number together and fraction number together. Fraction part together, isn't it? So 1 plus 3 plus, and fraction part is here what? Yes, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. So first step is what? 1 plus 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Understood this step? So children, here see, so here it is a like fraction. So for adding, what you have to do? This unlike fraction you have to convert into like fraction. So already I had told, if you want to convert that unlike fraction into like fraction, you have to find the LCM of that denominator, isn't it? So here denominator is what? 4 and 2. So you have to find LCM of 2 and 4. How you have to find? You have to say the table. 4th table you have to say, and 2's table also you have to say. Okay, and children, see here, next step is 1 plus 3, that means 4. 1 plus 3, that is 4, plus 1 upon 4. See here, children, I will show you that LCM how we have to find. Yes, LCM means least common multiple. You have to say the table. Multiples of 2. I have written here multiple of 2. These are the, yes, multiples of 2, and here multiples of 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, and here 4, 8, 12. These are the multiples of 2 and 4. So which one is least common you have to find? 4, isn't it? So 4 is the LCM of 2 and 4. Like that you have to, children, it is not necessary to write. So you have to find, you have to say the table, easily it will come to know which one is the LCM of 2 and 4. Understood, children? Yes, this step you have to see. This step 4 plus 1 upon 4. Here LCM is what? 4. So denominator which number will come? Yes, 4 only will come. So 4 here 1 upon 4. So that same fraction I have written here. Okay, because we want 4 only as the denominator. And the next fraction you have to see 1 upon 2. So here this 2 I have to convert into 4. How we have to do? Yes, if you are multiplying that 2 with 2, you will get what? 4. So already I have told, if you want to multiply or divide with that numerator, that denominator, if you want to multiply or divide with one number, that same operation you have to do in numerator also. Okay, then only our value it will not change. Understood, children? So here that we want 4 as the denominator. So this 2 denominator, this number you have to multiply with 2. So at the same time numerator also we have to multiply with 2. Understood, children? Yes. So here 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. So here numerator also multiply with 2 and denominator also 2 into 2. Then only we can get 4. Then only we will get the denominator as 4. Okay. Children, see. So 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 into 2 upon 2 into 2. This already I had thought in last slide, isn't it? So next one what you have to do? Yes, 4 plus you have to multiply. You have to multiply this fraction. That means 1 upon 4 you are writing. 1 upon 4 and here you have to multiply. 1 into 2, 2 upon 2 into 2 what will come? 4. So 2 upon 4. So now it's really easy to add this like fraction. Understood, children? So what will come? See, 4 plus is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 4 will come like that plus 2 upon 4. So here it is a like fraction. It is a like fraction. So 4 you are writing that same plus here like fraction. So you have to what? You have to add numerator. That means 1 plus 2. Here numerator is what here? 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 upon here denominator, that is like fraction. So you don't change the denominator. You have to write the denominator like this. That means that same denominator you have to write. Okay. So 1 plus 2 upon 4. And afterwards, next step is what? 4 plus 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 upon 4. So 4 whole number and proper fraction. So now it's time to write the final answer. That means you have to combine that whole number and proper fraction. So 4, 3 upon 4. This is your final answer. Understood, children? So if it is that unlike fraction, you have to convert into a like fraction. For that you have to find LCM of that denominator. How we have to write that? Find out that LCM. You have to say the table which one will come as the least common multiple. That number will come as your denominator. Okay, children? So next is third one. Third one is what? 5 1 upon 5 plus 2 1 upon 7. Again it is which fraction? Unlike fraction. So you have to, what you have to do? You have to add. Okay, you have to find LCM. 5. So children, see here. This is again unlike fraction. You have to convert into like fraction. For that find the LCM. Okay. So first step is what? Whole number you have to write together and fraction you have to write together. So see, 5 plus 2. What is the whole number here? 5 plus 2. And next one, fraction part is what? Plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7. Understood this step? Shall I go to next step? Yes. See here, children, this fraction you have to observe here. It is a unlike fraction. So 5 and 7. Denominator you have to see 5 and 7. So that LCM of 5 and 7 you have to find. Okay, for that you have to say the fifth and seventh table. So what will come? That least common multiple, that is your LCM of 5 and 7. Okay, so here 5 and 7, LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. See here, multiples of 5 I have written here, and multiples of 7 also I have written. So through this slide you will easily get what is the LCM of 5 and 7. So here 35 and here also 35. So 35 is the LCM of 5 and 7. Understood, children? So children, the third step see, so 5 plus 2, 7 plus, and here 1 upon 5. First fraction is what? 1 upon 5. LCM is what? 35. So which number will come as the denominator? 35. And here first fraction 5 is there as the denominator. In denominator 5 is there. So you have to convert that 5 into 35. So 5, if you are multiplying with 7, you will get what? 35. So here already I have told, if you want to do any that multiply in denominator, that same number you have to multiply with here in numerator also. Then only our value it will not change. Okay children. So that 1 into 7 upon 5 into 7. This step is clear. Shall I go to next? Plus, so first fraction you have to multiply with 7. Plus, second fraction you have to see 1 upon 7. So 7, if you are multiplying with 5, you will get what? 7 5s are 35. So here also like that same, 7 you have to multiply by 5. That same numerator also you have to multiply with 5. Okay. So 1 into 5 upon 7 into 5. So I hope you understood this step. So 5 plus 2 7 plus first fraction here LCM is 35. So 35 we want as the denominator. So 1 upon 5. That 5 you have to see, 5 7s are 35. So that same number you have to multiply with numerator also. Numerator also we have to multiply with that same number. So 1 into 7 upon 5 into 7 plus next one is 1 into 5 upon 7 into 5, because 7 5s are 35. Okay, is equal to what will come? 7 plus you have to multiply and write the answer. Yes, 1 7s are what? 7 and 1 5 7s are 35 plus 1 5s are what? Yes, 5 1s are 5 and the next one is upon 7 5s are 35. Children understood this step? This step, it is here nothing I have written here, only multiply and I have written here. Okay. So next one you have to see here children. So this one already I have taught, 7 plus 7 upon 35 plus 5 upon 35. So here now you have to see, this one is like fraction or unlike fraction. Very good. This fraction is a like fraction because denominator that same number 35. So I hope hereafter you can add easily, isn't it? So children see here 7 plus that numerator you have to add. Next step is what? Numerator you have to add. That means 7 plus 5 upon denominator, please what you have to write? You don't change the denominator, you have to write the denominator as same. Okay, as well you have to write the denominator, that means 35. So 7 plus 5 upon 35 and here is equal to 7 plus 5, what is your answer? 12 upon 35. Okay, and here mixed number and proper fraction. So here what you have to write? You have to combine this number, that means 7 12 upon 35. So children understood? So third sum, this one is what? Third sum. So children, today I solved the 3 sum. I hope you understood. First sum is that was the like fraction. and last two sum, that means second and third one, that were the unlike fraction. So like fraction, that what you have to do? Yes, that denominator, that same denominator you have to write, and you have to add numerator only. So children, here you have to tell me here now what are the steps you have to follow while adding that fraction mixed number. First you have to write the whole number separate, and yes, proper fraction separate. Afterwards you have to see the fraction. It is so easy. If it is unlike fraction, then you have to convert that unlike fraction into like fraction. Okay, for converting you have to find what? LCM. LCM, how you have to find? You have to say the table, so it will come to know what is the LCM of that given number. Okay, so like that you have to write. So after the converting of that unlike fraction into like fraction, afterwards you can add easily. So children, I had thought about today. What I had thought? Yes, addition of mixed numbers like fraction and unlike fraction. Practice set 10. First question, it contains 4 sums. Now this session we are solving now 3 sums. One is remaining, that I will solve in next session. So children, you have to study the table, at the same time you have to do more practice in your home, then only easily you will get. Understood children? I hope you understood today's topic. Yes, thank you children. Sai.